Oh my God, what even are those?
Look down, there's more.
Yeah, that's not a good wall, I don't think.
Or the window I can see you through.
What are your thoughts on that?
It's nice airflow.
It's good for the airflow. Are the dip switches set on that window there?
Yeah, they are.
All right, perfect. Look at this mess. We're gonna tear this furnace out, do all new ductwork, and then, oh my God, it's just, I don't even know what to say about it. And this. Some good quality. And of course they're at an angle. At this point, just rebuild the whole house. All right, what's up guys? My name is Dylan Shortness. I'm a licensed HVAC technician. I do installs and service and I record myself doing it. Right now we're a little dirty. I'm recording this after the fact. Today we did a install. We got started on it anyways. It's gonna be a full install, tearing out the furnace, putting in a new furnace, new coil and condenser. It's in a nasty house. I don't know how you let your houses get like this. I mean, you'll see what I'm talking about. Just hoarders. Like, there comes a time where you just throw stuff away. Come on, just throw it away. Anyways, stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. We just passed 275. Really appreciate that. I started posting a few weeks ago now. And we're growing pretty quickly. Getting a lot of nice comments. I had a lot of fun, so I appreciate that. This is the cleanest place in the basement. I'm gonna stand on it. They put a new floor on, so none of these registers are actually cut in. So we gotta do that. New furnace, new coil. Then we got this idiot who's probably not even gonna work all day.
No, don't even say that. Yeah, how old is this person?
This is the first install I've ever done where I started by cleaning. Man, I don't know how people let their houses get this dirty. This is disgusting. All right, let's take a look at the inside. Gotta add one there. That's no problem. Then we start to get over here. That one's covered up below. We gotta add one right there. Move this one over there. It's not so bad, right? Not so bad. Here's a return. And then this. You gotta put one in here. I told him it was going right there. I'm in. I'm not moving any of that. Oh, but just wait. Just wait. Here's another one. No problem. There's the pretty electrical box that the electricians gotta mess with. Check this out. As soon as I open the door, the stench just smacks you in the face. Gotta put one in here. We're closing that. Oh my God. That wall's caving in. That's not even a wall. It's a makeshift type of wall. Yeah, I'm talking about this wall.
That I can reach through?
Yeah, that's not a good wall, I don't think.
Or the window I can see you through?
What are your thoughts on that?
It's nice airflow.
It's good for the airflow. Are the dip switches set on that window there?
Yeah, they are.
All right, perfect. God, what a mess. At least we have a clean place to put the condenser. That's about the one good thing. At this point, just rebuild the whole house.
Title of this YouTube needs to be in the trenches.
Honestly, something like that. Did they just put a tree in here and call it good? What do we got going on?
Foundation poles, man.
That's quality. Oh. Yeah. Oh my God. I wouldn't go in there if you fucking paid me. And you are paying.
I'm not going back.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
Ready? Nope. One.
Booyah.
Dude, I really wish I knew what this was so I could freaking take it out.
They're gone now.
No, no.
There's significantly less though. That means they're moving their way to our work area. Warning, this is the National Purge. Well, we got rained out. Bomba de condensado. ¿Cómo estás y tú? Muy bien. Now that's beautiful. Okay, I think we're actually getting rained out this time. Should be alright. This is how you can tell the master plumber's rated already. Fits fine. Some good quality. And of course they're at an angle, so we have to get the socket set out. Upsetting. All right, we're packing it up for the day. I'll show you what we got done. All right, we got the condenser done. Line set brazed in with nitrogen, of course. Disconnect mounted, ready for the electrician. Absolutely no lights, so that's good. Got the duct mounted. Unit set. Blah, 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 blah. Pretty good progress, pretty good progress. It's an absolute mess down here. Yeah. And then this one covers that hole. Honestly, this is very professionally made.
Yep.
Looks good. Just leave it like that.
Don't forget the tarp.
No. We don't care about water damage. And then we just got 14 rocks to put on top of that, and we're good. Just for safe measure, just in case. Put that there. Doing the right thing always. All right, that does it for today's video. I need to go get in the shower, obviously. We got the job done. Not done, but we did what we had to do. Made a lot of progress. Got a good list for tomorrow. And we'll be back tomorrow. All right, see you guys. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Peace.